Yes, hello everyone. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Nandito na po ang inyong lingkod para po magbigay sa inyo ng information regarding our September activities and events for the whole month. So bear with me kasi same as usual, gagamitin ko pa rin po ang aking storage through my Zoom na nasa aking cellphone. So I'm going to tackle everything for the whole month para po malaman ninyo yung ating mga activities and events at ma-share ninyo sa inyong mga friends, relatives, and kung sino pa po ang inyong mga kakilala. So, ito po ang aking first topic regarding um, it's all about our Big Four. So, mind you again about our loyalty program sa ating Big Four. Actually, ang Big Four po, like Transfer Factor Pure Plus, Ryuvida sticks for a while kasi hindi po available ang ating Ryuvida juice dahil po naubusan tayo ng Ryuvida juice kahit po sa package hindi po siya available. Ang package po natin ay Ryuvida sticks po ang ibibigay ng ating company kapag tayo ay bibili ng Big Four. Then you can still redeem any of the big four products. And aside from that, you can also redeem kung ayaw nyo ng big four. Sa ibang products po rin po, pwede rin po kayo makapag-redeem. So, through our loyalty, remind ko lang po, bago po kayo makapag-redeem, kailangan po, sabay po ito sa ating loyalty. When you place loyalty, and if you're going to redeem, kasama po ang redemption sa pag-order ng redemption sa ating loyalty orders. Okay? Maliwanag po ba? So, ang loyalty po natin, during our loyalty, pwedeng isabay ang any products na i-redeem ninyo sa inyong redemption. Hindi po after ng loyalty. Okay? Klaro po tayo. Para po malaman ninyo na ang ating redemption po ay hindi po nakukuha anytime. Ito po ay nakukuha during loyalty. Now the next is about exclusive premier loyalty program. Sa mga member under this club of premier loyalty, okay, meron po tayong paraffle. So ang ating raffle po, depende po sa category. Kung kayo po ay 150 LP to 449 LP order ng ating loyalty, may isang raffle ticket ka. Pero pag 250 LP to 399 LP loyalty order ka, meron kang 2 raffle tickets. Okay? And kung meron kang 400 LP and above, meron kang 3 raffle tickets na makukuha natin para sa ating raffle. So, ang mga prizes po, isang winner ng 25,000 cash, okay? Then, dalawang winners of 4Life products worth 15,000. Ayan po, nakikita nyo naman po sa ating slide. And then, 2 winners of our 4Life products worth 10,000. And then, 5 winners of 2 boxes Energy Go Sticks. Isipin nyo yan, kada isa sa manalo sa 5 winners, tigda dalawang Energy Go Sticks. Sana naman mabunot ang pangalan ko. Okay? And then, 5 winners of 1 reflection. So, ito po ay pwede lang po sa mga Premier Loyalty members under this club. Okay? So, paano kayo magiging member ng Premier Loyalty? Kailangan po 150 tayo every month. At successive in 3 months, after 3 months, saka po kayo magkakaroon na or maisasali sa lahat ng exclusive Premier Loyalty promos. Like this one, raffle. So, yung hindi po kasali sa Premier Loyalty ay hindi po kasali sa raffle tickets kahit po na 150 kayo. So, for you to qualify, okay, kailangan mag-loyalty po tayo ng wala pong mintis, wala pong palya. Kailangan every month 150 pataas, wag po below 150 dahil hindi po siya nasasali sa Premier Loyalty. Okay? So para klaro po sa inyo, paano ba magsali ng Premier Loyalty? So ang pagiging Premier Loyalty po, at least loyalty ninyo is 150 pataas, hindi po pababa at every month po yan. Okay? Then we have our break rank gift pack. Okay, sa mga preferred customer associate or builders or builder elites, okay? Kapag kayo po ay nag-rank up into diamond or diamond elite, meron po tayong matatanggap na 14,000 worth of products kapag tayo po ay nakapag-rank up ng diamond to diamond elite. Kapag presidential naman and presidential elite, okay, 24,000 po worth of For Life product gift packs ang ating makukuha. And then, kapag bronze, syempre, mas malaki, mas malaking gift din po ang makukuha natin. So, advanced rank to bronze, meron tayong 26 worth of product gift packs, okay? But, ito po ang good news. Kapag kayo ay preferred customer, associate, or builder elite, kapag nag-jump po kayo, lumukso kayo, instead of diamond or diamond elite, lumukso po kayo as presidential or presidential elite. Okay? So, katulad sa mga na-experience ng ating mga diamond, na ang mga builder na nag-diamond elite, naglukso, so 2 beses po sila nakaka-receive ng 14 worth of For Life product gift pack. 2 beses po dahil nilaktawan po yung pagiging diamond. Dumiretso sa diamond elite. Okay? Pag kayo ay builder, associate, or preferred, at naging presidential kayo or presidential elite, yung 14,000 worth of product ay ibibigay pa rin po sa inyo. Kung ano yung mga posisyon na nilaktawan ninyo, ay maibibigay po sa inyo yung worth of products na dapat ibibigay sa inyo. Yan po ang binibigay sa atin ng company. Sobra-sobra nga, di ba? Kasi worth it po tayo dahil nga nag-jump tayo and then lahat ng dapat na ibibigay by ranking, talagang binibigay po ng ating company. So, yan po, ganyan po kaganda at ka-generous yung ating company. Now, we have our upcoming Developing a Millionaire Mindset. Meron tayong Zoom training with Ching Kitan. Okay, Ching Kitan is a national speaker, a radio, TV, and social media personality, author of best-selling books. Ang dami pong magagandang libro si Ching Kitan at meron po siyang magandang advice and tips para sa mga negosyanteng katulad natin sa For Life. Okay? So, kailan po ito? This will be on September 22 p.m. po ang Zoom training natin. So, please mark that in your calendar para hindi po ninyo makalimutan para meron po kayong, maka-attend po kayo sa ni Chinkitan, sa training ni Chinkitan. And then, this coming September 7, 2 p.m., Saturday, we have also our intensive product presentation there at Cebu office. Okay? Sa ating Fast Start Rapid Rewards and Loyalty presentation. And this is also at the same time a training sa mga affiliates na bago at sa mga lumang affiliates na hindi pa alam ang sistema natin. Not only that, hindi lang po si Sir J. Lord. Si Sir J. Lord po ang magbibigay doon sa Cebu ng training and presentation. Also, Ma'am Claudia Libay. Ito naman po ay gaganapin po sa Northern Samar, okay? Sa Veranas Restaurant. The same time, simultaneous po ito, September 7, 2 p.m. Okay? So si Ma'am Claudia naman po ang ating training and building development manager. Okay? Business development manager. Siya po ang sa Samar, si Sir naman J. Lord sa Cebu. So 2 p.m. sa September 7. And then we have also on September 8, the following day, we have a product presentation and business presentation, the same mentor sa Cebu, pero hindi na po sa office ng ating ng For Life sa Cebu City, kundi sa Lapu-Lapu City na po yan. Sa Villa Vista Hotel po, Lapu-Lapu City. It is all about a product presentation and business presentation at 2 p.m. with Sir J. Lord Casalya, our Training and Business Development Senior Supervisor. Simultaneous din po, dahil meron din po tayo with Ma'am Claudia Libay para po sa 8. Saan naman po ito gaganapin? The same po ang venue sa Northern Samar. It is a business presentation and monthly recognition. So magkakaroon ng recognition po doon sa ating sa mga places na kung saan sila po ang speaker. Okay? So, this would be on September 2, 2 p.m. Simultaneous po with Sir J. Lord Casalya. And not only that, we have also our coming Sizzle. Tomorrow po ito. Okay? Tomorrow po itong Sizzle natin at 2 p.m. with our General Manager, Ma'am Erin Tandario. So, sa Zoom po ito, live po sila pero connected po ang ating Zoom. Naka-open po ang Zoom. Sa For Life Manila office po ito, ang ating Zizel. Please attend our CSEL with our country manager. Kasi po marami po siyang mga announcement, hindi po masyado sila nagpo-post, baka mayroon silang biglaan ang surpresang announcement na kung saan at least alam natin at mapag-prepare natin ang ating sarili to achieve those announcement. And aside from that, okay? So yung mga lugar ng Samar, Cebu, okay? Invite your friends, invite your relatives, invite your mga kakilalang tao doon sa mga lugar na 'yan, okay? So this coming 19 naman September 3 PM po. Yan naman po ay sa Davao office with Ma'am Claudia. It is an aqua party and loyalty program. Now, ang aqua party po, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-try ng aqua, you can attend there. You can bring a guest with you, okay? And then, maganda po ito para at least matry ninyo gaano kaganda yung skin, yung ating skincare regimen. Kung saan galing po ito sa ating the only product na ginawa sa South Korea. So, this aqua party is good for those, especially yung mga banidoso, gustong gumanda ang skin. So, matatry nyo po yan doon sa Davao office po. On September 19, 3 p.m. po yan. And then, we have our loyalty program training with Ma'am Claudia. Okay? So, not only on 19, meron din po tayong, I think we have also a 20, after 19, meron tayong 20 with Ma'am Claudia again. It's a product presentation sa Davao City naman po. Yung may mga affiliate or may mga kakilala sa Davao na hindi pa po nakapag-attend ng product presentation, then invite them through call, through chat, through tawag nito, yung messenger na i-communicate nyo sila, i-inform nyo na this coming September at 3 p.m. po, September 20 at 3 p.m., meron tayong product presentation and business presentation sa Davao City Office ng For Life, okay? So, may mga kakilala tayo dyan, ng mga affiliate na hindi pa nakatry na mag-attend sa presentation ng product and business presentation. So, please invite your affiliates, and not only affiliates, your mga relatives and friends, okay? And on 21, meron naman po tayo sa Coronadal City, September 21, 2 p.m. po sa 88 Hotel, okay? Sa Coronadal City General Drive, Barangay Zone 3, General, hindi po Santos City ha. It's in Coronadal City on September 21, that is 2 p.m. It is all about presentation of our business with Ma'am Claudia Libay. So, please invite mga taga Coronadal or kahit hindi taga Coronadal pero may kakilala sa Coronadal City, please invite your friends, relatives, or yung mga kakilala ninyo or may mga affiliates kayo doon na hindi nakakapag-attend ever since ng presentation, then please invite them. And on September 22, 2 p.m., meron din po tayong business presentation also with Ma'am Claudia Libay, our Training Business and Development Manager, our speaker in Sydney Hotel. Hindi po sa Sydney Country ha, sa Australia. Okay? Sa ano po tayo? Sydney Hotel lang po ng Corner Pioneer and Pendleton Avenue, General Santos City. So ito naman po, meron po tayong mga affiliates dyan, okay? Na hindi masyadong nag-a-active, then kukulit-kulitin lang natin sila, invite natin sila. The more na mas kailangan natin silang i-inform na meron po tayong General Santos City na business presentation. So, it's about time kasi po, bakit? It's a bear month. Since it's a bear month, papunta na po tayo ng December. Sana po ay maging maganda yung ating outcome this coming September, going to December, na marami po tayong at least hold cash para po hindi naman po, anong tawag nito, lonely yung ating Christmas. Merry na merry. Especially nowadays, masalimuot po ang ating gobyerno, hindi natin alam. Kasi ang iba naghahanap na po ng kanilang mga bonuses. Saan na daw yung ganito? Saan na daw yung ganito? Nako, Diyos ko po. So, kailangan nating kumilos, kailangan nating magtrabaho sa For Life. All we have to do is we have to share our products, we have to share the opportunity. Our products is not only intended for those sick people. Our products is also intended for those who are healthy people that can do the business of our for life. So offer the opportunity para kahit papaano spread natin ang napakagandang sistema ng ating business sa for life. Okay? Now, another thing to discuss with you is we have our don'ts and do, okay? So, dito tayo sa do's and don'ts of for life product claim. So, I would like to remind you, kapag magpo-post po tayo ng ating mga produkto, lalong-lalo na ang ating for life, dahil nakalagay po dito sa Pilipinas, ang ating produkto, is no therapeutic claim. So, ang ating company po is very strict when it comes to that because I, for one, had an experience na napadalahan po ng love letter, hindi po galing sa Pilipinas na for life. Galing po sa US na for life, okay? I did not claim anything, but even it sounds like claim, okay? Even sounds like claiming, you are claiming, na hindi mo naman sinasabing you are claiming, but sa paningin ng for life, okay, is parang sounds like claiming ka, looks like claiming ka, so papadalhan po talaga tayo ng warning. So I have 2 warnings already, kaya that's why ang ginagawa ko, nagpo-post ako galing mismo sa for life, pero I am not claiming anything, but I am saying na it supports, okay? It's support, helps, and ano pa yung ginagamit ko aside sa support at saka improve, okay? Yun lang po, wag po tayong magki-claim na it's good for dengue, it's good for ubo, sipon, mga cancer, kasi we are claiming already. So, yan po ang ating iiwasan sa ating pag-post, okay? And the last but not the least, to remind you again, kasi po, itong ating Great Escape po, nag-start noong last August, okay? Last month. So, starting last month until this month up to next year, okay? Up to next year, up to March, okay? Actually, we have our Great Escape in Bali, Indonesia. So, ang startup po nito ng ating cruise ship, okay, it is a Royal Caribbean International Cruise Ship. Hindi to basta-basta na cruise ship. An Anthem of the Seas. Ang nasakyan ko lang po is yung Quantum of the Seas, okay? Napakalaki, second largest cruise ship in the world. But this Anthem of the Seas, almost the same lang po kalaki sa ating Quantum of the Seas, okay? Now, ang itinerary po natin is coming from the Philippines going to Singapore, and then there's a places of Singapore na pupuntahan. Then after Singapore, okay, we will go to Bali, Indonesia, and different cities of Indonesia. And then ito po ay 8 nights and 7 days po tayo lahat, and all expense paid by the company. Okay, from our point of destination, origin, okay? Kung Cotabato ka, sasakay ka sa Awang na airport going to Manila, Manila to somewhere to Singapore, lahat po ay bayad po yan ng ating company. Ganon din po sa pagbalik sa ating sariling pamamahay. Hindi naman bahay, kundi sa airport mismo, okay? So, from point to point, tayo po ay, ito po ay all expense paid by the company, good for 2. But, mind you, hindi lang siya good for 2 kasi yung last na Great Escape po, ang dami pong nakasamang mga bata during the cruise ship going to Japan, dalawang cities of Japan and China, okay? So, pwede po tayo magsama ng gusto nating isasama, pero provided na po natin yan. Hindi na po yan provided ng company. Pero kung malaki naman ang ating kinikita, kayang-kaya na po natin yan. Dahil yung iba po na sumama doon sa Japan with their family, kinaya po ng kanilang yung expenses na sila na nagbayad dahil po malaki po yung kinikita natin sa For Life. Pero good for 2, yung dalawa po yung libre doon. Okay? So, ayan po. Sana po spread natin ito, hindi lang po sa inyo, especially sa mga direct ko, okay, yung aking mga first line, please disseminate nyo itong ating monthly na cascading of information every month for the whole month para po malaman po ng ating mga affiliates down the lines para naman po matulungan niyo ako i-spread yung ating mga information regarding our events and activities for the whole month. Okay? So, paano po tayo magme-maintain ng loyalty? Very easy lang po. Do not get that into your own pocket. If you have happy customer, if you have satisfied customer, and if you have valued customer, I'll tell you, hindi po kayo mahihirapang mag-loyalty every month. Remind you that loyalty is the key in everything here in For Life Business. Okay? So, kapag meron po tayong loyalty, lahat po ng ma-maximize na income and mga gift packs na galing po, mga perks, okay? Perks, it's either mga merchants galing sa For Life or cash, incentives, okay? Or mga trips. Yan po ang binibigay ng company natin. So, all we have to do, wala po talagang isang bagay na hindi pagtatrabahuan. Kailangan lang po natin pagtatrabahuan itong lahat. Okay? So, for those who are really wanted to achieve something, we can work hand in hand. Kasi naman po, hindi naman po yan nakukuha ng isang tao lang. Kailangan po natin ng ibang tao. And the only thing you will do is, you have to have your self-growth. Kasi pag may self-growth po tayo, everything will follow for the organizational growth. Okay? So, yan lang po. Kailangan lang po natin alamin ang system, paano siya ipalago. Hindi man kagad-agad dahil may mga tao po talagang para sa ganitong negosyo. So kung sa palagay ninyo na parang hindi ito sa akin, just give at least 2 to 3 years na gagawin ito. Kasi you will say na hindi to para sa akin kung umabot kayo ng 3 years na wala po kayong naging resulta, or maybe kahit na 3 years na kayo, wala pa rin kayong resulta, maybe because you did not do anything in this For Life business. So ako naman, I am doing my best. Of course, every month, kahit papano, hindi naman po tayo na zero, okay? And then, we are improving because we are having new bloods in this team, okay? Ang ating team po ay Amazing Victorious Achievers Team, okay? So, for those who are under with me, if you really wanted to achieve something, it's the only thing is a communication, constant connection. Kasi po, yung mga bago po na nagko-connect sa akin parate, nagtatanong sa akin parate, paano po gagawin, anong gagawin ko, yung mga affiliate po na very willing to grow their business, they are talking to me almost every day and reporting something. And then kung ano yung mga kulang, andun po ako nag-guide. So, if you want to grow, let's grow together, pero hindi po yung kung kailan ko po kayo kakatukin, doon lang po kayo magbibigay ng communication sa akin. We have to communicate each other, especially if you need something na hindi nyo alam, and then hindi nyo alam ang system, and you have to call the attention of your leader. I am there, okay? I've been into this kind of business in a different company. Yung mga tao ko, bakit naging ano sila, bakit na-try nilang nakapasok sa taas, it's because we have a constant communication. Okay? If you are willing, okay, you have to give your time and effort to me. And I will give you my time and effort to you. So, ganun lang po ang kailangan nating gawin. Okay? So, willing po ako makipag-work sa inyo if you are very much willing to work with me. So, mahirap naman po, ako lang po ang magdiin na gagawin nyo ito, pero hindi naman po kayo willing gagawin yan, wala po ako magagawa. But there are affiliates here who are willing to do their business, and I'm ready to support. I'm ready to be there. I'm ready to give my time and effort. All you have to do is constant communication with me. I'm going to communicate with you. Okay? But not all the time na kayo magko-communicate sa akin. I am also reminding those who are interested. Pero yung hindi naman interesado, mahirap naman po ako magbigay ng time sa inyo na hindi nyo ako susuklian din ng oras ninyo. So, ito po ay negosyo. Negosyo pong totoo na marami pong na-improve ang buhay. Bakit sila na-improve ng buhay? Dahil po, trinabaho nila ito with a constant communication and a constant effort and time. Kasi ang networking po it is a service kind of business. You have to serve first, okay? And you have to teach first. And you have to guide your people before you can get anything you want in your own goal dito sa For Life. So, every one of us has a goal. So, bago po natin makuha yung goal na yon, ma-achieve yung goal na yon, we have to work together. Okay? Hindi po pwedeng kayo lang mag-isa dahil hindi nyo alam ang sistema. Kailangan po alamin natin yung sistema together with your leader. So, ako, I'm willing to give effort as a leader. So, all I need is your commitment. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Magandang, ano ba tayo ngayon? Tuesday. So, magandang Tuesday sa inyong lahat. God bless!